Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Antony and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about something that's quite close to my heart, and that is some amazing advice that I got at the very beginning of my fashion career and that I've carried with me ever since to today. I use this piece of advice in any job that I go into, and I use it while looking for jobs and doing other ventures, my side hustles and all of that sort of stuff as well. So if you want to know what that piece of advice is, keep on watching. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow, especially that like button. You have no idea how much it helps promote my video and boost it within the YouTube's algorithm. Please also leave a comment. I like to chat to you guys and get to know you a little bit better and build this fashion community up. Okay, let's just jump straight into the video. So what is this amazing piece of advice that I got at the very beginning of my career? Well, it's very simple and it's basically don't overthink and just do. Now, one of my lecturers at university told me this when he could see that I was struggling with a bit of anxiety over submitting projects and things like that. And he told me this piece of advice. He said, stop overthinking and just do it, because if you overanalyze and you overdo stuff so much, you will end up not doing anything, and that is even worse. And submitting something, even if it might not be what you think is your best work, is better than submitting nothing at all. Now, as I said, I'm quite an anxious person and I overanalyze and overthink about everything anytime that I do something, and it is quite frankly sometimes debilitating. When I first started my YouTube, I actually intended to start it about 2 years before I actually posted my first video. Oh my god, what a mistake that was. I wish I would have started 2 years prior to when I had, because I would have been in a dramatically different position than I am now. Don't get me wrong, I'm extremely happy with the position that I'm in with my YouTube channel and all of that sort of stuff. But as I said, if I would have started it earlier, I might have been a bit more progressed than I am now. So yes, as I said, I overthink things and it can sometimes paralyze me into not doing anything, which is completely the wrong attitude. And honestly, it's that one piece of advice that has kept me going over the years. Don't overthink and just do. Now, it's a double-edged sword, really, this piece of advice, because really you do want to plan things out. You do want to make sure that you're doing it to the best of your ability, and you do want to make sure that you're covering all cases in case something goes wrong. But at the same time, if you overplan and plan and plan and plan to the point that you scare yourself into not doing anything, then that's not good either. And I've used this piece of advice for years when it came to doing different things, such as applying for jobs, starting my YouTube channel, starting any of my side hustles, or even when I'm in the workplace and I don't necessarily think that I've got the skills to do it. I just try and do it anyway, because at the end of the day, if you try, more than likely you will succeed. So for example, when applying for jobs, if you don't think you've got the skill set for it, just step back, analyze the situation and say, can you design? Can you draw? Can you research? Then you more than likely have got the skills to go for the job that's in front of you. It's just whether the employer thinks that your skills are relevant, but that shouldn't stop you from applying. That shouldn't stop you from doing anything. You should apply, you should adapt your CV to make sure that it's in the best possible light and give you the best possible position to go forward, but nothing was ever gained by not trying it. So definitely just keep trying. Something that I've been thinking about recently is starting my own brand, and I'm going to do a whole video series on starting a brand in the near future, because I am actually going to start one. But for the past couple of years, it's been really scary to sort of think about starting a brand, because I've been overthinking way into the future, such as what happens when it comes to manufacturing, what happens when it comes to paying for it, what happens if I sell something and someone doesn't like the quality, someone doesn't like the actual style that I've done and wants to make complaints or return and all of that sort of stuff. And that kind of thinking has actually stopped me from building a brand and coming up with my own fashion line. But no more, I am going to take the advice that I got at university and stop overthinking and just do it. Even with my YouTube channel, I know I've already touched on this point, but it was a friend who convinced me to actually start my YouTube channel and actually start posting videos, because she saw that I was really good at presenting, she saw that I was really good at talking, and she saw that I had a passion for video making and helping people. So she was like, why are you just not doing the YouTube channel that you've been talking about for the past 2 years? Just go ahead and do it, and if it fails, it fails, as long as you've enjoyed it as you've been doing it. And so far I've been really enjoying doing my YouTube channel. I've been really enjoying sharing advice and talking to you about fashion and building brands and all of that sort of stuff. I think overall this video really is for me and for anyone else out there who needs to know that you just need to stop overthinking it and just do it. I have to remind myself constantly to just stop overthinking and just do it. There's certain situations that I just need to jump in head first and go and do it, and I know I can be successful at it because I've got the skills and tools to do it, but sometimes it's just getting out of your own headspace and actually going for it. And going forward, anytime I need to have a little boost and remind myself to stop overthinking and just do it, I'm gonna watch this video and hopefully it's gonna help some of my subscribers as well. So don't overthink and just do. That is the best advice I ever got, and it was from a lecturer at university. And I've carried that advice since I left university over 12 years ago. Oh God, that's ages. Well, that's it for today's video. I know it was quite short and sweet, but I just thought I'd jump on and share a piece of gold advice that I got when I left university, and hopefully it's going to help a few people out there as well. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy cards and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life, and it really helps support this channel. Otherwise, I'll see you here every Monday and Thursday with a brand new video. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Tra tra tra. Bye.